Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I have unboxed 3 ASIC miners, which I have received from CryptoMinerbros.com. They sent me these 3 to essentially review on the channel, and I'm allowed to keep one of them. Now, I get to choose which one I get to keep, and so I'm gonna keep that a secret, and I'm gonna do another video on which one I'm going to choose. So we have a KA3, we have an E9 Pro. It says this one is a 3680 megahash model. And then we have an S19J Pro Plus. This is a 120 terahash model. So what I want from you guys is to comment down below which one you guys think I'm gonna keep. And also, after 24 hours of this video is uploaded, I'm gonna do a comment picker for a lucky winner to have 24-hour hash rate of one of these ASICs, depending on which one I choose, okay? So it could be the KA3 for mining Kadena, could be the E9 Pro, or it could be the S19J Pro Plus, okay? So either mining Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, or Kadena, all right? So those 3, I'm gonna pick a lucky winner in 24 hours. Good luck, guys, good luck. So I gotta be quick in this, just a quick video of just doing an overview of these 3 ASIC miners. I am gonna do separate videos on each one, and I'm gonna talk about the risks of, potentially buying these, also taking a look at profitability, network hash rate, and also maybe future ASIC mining models that are coming out that could be more efficient than these models that I have here right now. So stay tuned for those videos. Those are going to be a lot longer. Most of you have heard me talk about the KA3 before. Some of you have seen me play around with the E9, the non-E9 Pro. Okay, the E9 I've had for I think almost a year now, and it hasn't break even yet in terms of its $10,000 value. All right, I'm still doing that test, okay, theoretical test. And then I have a S19J Pro Plus, which I have some reservations regarding this model, comparing it to other models that are out there currently. So thank you to CryptoMinerbros.com. Guys, go check them out. If you guys decide to buy anything, use offer code REDPANDA for $50 off. Link down below if you guys are interested. It was funny. Did you guys notice that all 3 of these Bitmain boxes, they had a different made in, disclaimer here, made in Indonesia, made in Malaysia, and then made in China. So the made in China one was the Antminer KA3, okay, the 166 terahash version. And then the one made in Malaysia is the E9 Pro, okay. This guy, this thing was actually really heavy to unpack. Obviously, it's almost like 2 times the size as these other ASIC miners here. And then we have the S19J Pro Plus, which was made in Indonesia. All right, so I found that to be interesting to have 3 different locations where these ASIC miners were essentially manufactured. So the manufacturing process, the chip process, 3 different countries, I found that to be pretty interesting. Now let's talk quickly about the KA3. So this model here is the best Kadena ASIC miner currently on the market, and this one has actually caused a lot of, I would say, drama in the crypto mining space, especially when it comes to other Kadena ASIC models out there where they're a lot less efficient than the KA3. And just looking at the network hash rate for Kadena right now, at the top of my head, I think it averaged around 200 petahash, and then all of a sudden, when these KA3s started shipping out, it eventually jumped up to almost, I think, 500 petahash. So to me, if we did the math, as this does 166 terahash, then that means there could be roughly between 1,800 to 2,000 of these KA3s already online on the network. So simply just looking at the profitability of this thing right now, it's not at its glory days when this thing was, I think at one point, making like $150 a day when it wasn't even released. And then when they started shipping these out, obviously the profitability started going down and down as the network hash rate difficulty went up. And also the Kadena price has also been coming down as well. It hasn't gone up or price appreciated, since the last time in, I think, 2021. So, but right now, I think this thing is only making between $12 to $16 a day, or that's roughly, I think, 14 to 16 Kadena a day. As of recording, it's near the beginning of May, and the network hash rate for Kadena is around above 500 petahash. So if anyone is thinking about buying one of these, which I think I've seen the prices range from 8,000 to 10,000 at this point in time, if you decide to buy one of these, it's either, you know, you're able to mine and hodl the Kadena and wait for the price appreciation, and or also you believe in the project, you believe in Kadena that it's, you know, going to do something big in the future. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say the KA3 otherwise is quite a monster, and I'm gonna have to plug this in and get an actual, like, you know, 24-hour profitability. But judging by the calculators, I think it's only mining between 14, 16, 18 Kadena a day, which has dropped off quite a bit because the difficulty has gone much higher. Okay, let's quickly go over the E9 Pro. This is quite a monster. This machine itself physically is a monster. It is not light by any means. This thing is extremely heavy, but it does have the same feeling as the regular E9. Okay, so as this is the E9 Pro, this does about 3.68 gigahash in terms of Ethereum Classic hash rate or other ETH hash coins, which I'll talk a little bit more right now. You know, the E9 Pro, I would say it gives versatility now because there are a bunch of other ETH hash coins that have come out and has been a little bit profitable recently. I'm talking about coins like Ethereum Fair, Ethereum W, and some other ETH hash coins that have come out of the woodworks recently that have garnered some network hash rate to alleviate the network difficulty from Ethereum Classic. So if we look at the Ethereum Classic network hash rate right now, it's been slowly coming down. Obviously, since the Ethereum merge, as most people know, the Ethereum merge was a pretty monumental event for GPU miners specifically, and even the Ethereum Classic ASIC miners. I know for those that have the silicon models or the older E9s, you know, everyone was looking at, you know, now that they can't mine Ethereum anymore, everyone moved over to Ethereum Classic. But now that we have some other ETH hash coins coming out, this E9 Pro is actually profitable at this point in time for mining those certain coins. It's not, you know, amazing, but this model specifically, it's a monster. If we compared it to other ETH hash or ETC hash ASIC miners out there, I know the Jazz miners or the iPolos are ones that compete against this in terms of efficiency. The E9 Pro here has a lot more hash rate versus those other ASIC miners. So dollar value in terms of how much they cost versus how much you can make. I think the break-even time is faster on the E9 Pro, but it really depends on your electrical cost if you decide to buy one of these, which I think on Crypto Miner Bros right now is about $3,600. Don't forget to use offer code RedPanda if you guys decide to buy one of these, but only if you truly believe in those ETH hash coins or you care about profitability. I mean, Ethereum Classic has gone up before, so not to say not financial advice that, mining just straight Ethereum Classic all the way up until the next price appreciation. I mean, that's really the strategy that goes along with any ASIC miner out there. If you decide to buy the K7s, or decide to buy the Antminer L7 for Litecoin, Dogecoin, or even Bitcoin. You guys are probably seeing these here. These ASICs here, I am getting ready to take out the fans and put in quieter inline fans, AC Infinity, utilizing the Fruits and Associates shrouds. So we're gonna take out the loud fans and also the PSU little fans here, and we're gonna be putting a shroud on these. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna hopefully set up here in my new mining location. As you guys know, I've been doing this over the past week, having a lot of fun. But anyways, guys, that's the E9 Pro, just a quick overview. Now, finally, I have an Antminer S19J Pro Plus here. This one, I really didn't hear about it until recently, and I think it's based off the S19J models. So you guys know the 104 models or the 100 terahash models. This one does 120, and I think there's 122 terahash models as well. But if we take a look at my efficiency sheet that this S19J Pro Plus is advertised, the efficiency I think is 0.28 or 0.275. So for this model to come out, something tells me that they had, extra silicon, or they were able to, add more ASIC chips onto a board and also utilize the same power consumption. But we're talking fractions of efficiency compared to the other ASIC models that we have out there right now. So as you guys see on your screen here, stock, it's not as efficient as the other models that have been out for a while now, even like the S19 XPs. This one can do up to, I think, 0.25 or even 0.2321 if you do even a low power mode. So actually, that's one thing to consider. I don't know if down the road Bitmain or maybe Luxor.tech or any other firmware out there is going to have a low power mode or similar for the S19J Pro Plus. Okay, so I'm assuming Bitmain might have something down the road, but this is just another option that has come out of the woodworks recently and is similarly priced to other ASIC miners I've seen out there right now. So, but Bitcoin mining is Bitcoin mining. I mean, as a residential miner, if you're deciding to go this way, or I mean any ASIC route for that matter, these things are going to be pretty loud. You guys can probably hear in my video right now, things are pretty loud. So that's why I'm going to be going through and trying out methods to make my ASIC miners quieter in the air method. I'm not immersion cooling or anything like that. Definitely spending a lot less than immersion stuff, but whether or not that's going to help cool these guys, my L7 or XP, begs the question. Okay guys, I think that's really it. I have a lot more to talk about, but I'm gonna go ahead, plug these in. You guys comment down below which one you guys think I'm gonna keep, and then I'll comment picker the winner, and then whichever one I decide to keep, I will do a 24-hour hash rate to their address. All right, so should I keep the KA3? Should I keep the A9 Pro? Or should I keep the S19J Pro Plus? I think some of you guys may know which one I want to keep, but let me know down below. I'm curious which one you guys think I will keep. This is a fun little hash rate giveaway as well. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I will do more dedicated videos of these. Just gonna run them for a day, and then I'll do dedicated videos of 24-hour hash rate. I appreciate everybody. Thank you, Crypto Miner Bros, yet again for sending me 3 models here to do a review on. This is just insane. This is the craziest shipment I think I've ever received in my life. So really appreciate it, guys. Go check them out, cryptominerbros.com. I'll have a link down below. Also use offer code RedPanda if you guys decide to buy anything from them. I appreciate them, and I also appreciate you guys. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Dude, the E9 Pro box is just massive, man. Just insane. Okay, time to plug in the first ASIC. Yeah, it's gonna go right here. You guys know I just put in my exhaust fan. Oh, I gotta take out the little windows first on my garage door. See if that helps with airflow. All right, well that'll be for another video. Peace out, bros. Peace out.